All right, as we discussed yesterday, we are looking for short below this supply zone. So as I said yesterday, this is a supply zone and this is the demand zone, and we was looking for short once we get the confirmation below this supply zone. So exactly price open between this supply zone, and after that price drop drastically and goes near this demand zone, and after that they form bullish signal and goes up near that one. So again another supply zone. So let me show you just a minute. Okay, so next here I can see this is another supply zone. Price goes near supply zone and again price drop near this level. All right, so let me show you in a small time frame first. Let me draw some circle. Okay, just a minute. So here first our entry point, and the second our entry point. Why we enter, let me show you, and the third our entry point in this area. Let's just jump to 1 minute time frame. So here I can see, just a minute, one. Okay, perfect. Okay, so this is 1 minute chart. So first price open here and price drop drastically and price again pull back. So this is, see here, this power of a pullback, all right, toward the downside. So after that price pull back, and here price again goes little bit and goes up, and finally price break, and that was our entry point, and we use 1:3 trading ratio, profit ratio in the downside. So my entry point was just below this level and my SL was 50 point. So basically I use 50 point and target 1:3, 1.50. So this candle hit our target somewhere here. All right, so again now you can see price getting lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, now rejecting. Price goes down, pull back, goes down, again create a new high, pull back, goes up little bit, now price finally start creating new high. So again pull back, and that was our entry point. So we are explaining how exactly we enter by using this demand and supply zone. This is mastering option buying 2.0. Almost we covering everything, how exactly big boy entering in this market and big boys activity. All right, so in that case now you can see, and our entry point just above this after forming this bullish candle little bit here, and we keep very tight SL, almost 40 point, and 120 my target, 120 somewhere there, 120. All right, okay, so that was our target. All right, so next you can see next activity, and the price goes up like very sharp here, pull back, again goes up, now price rejection, goes up, pull back, goes up, and again try, and finally price create a new lower low, lower high, and here you can see this is called money spot, and we start shorting in this area. Just a minute. Okay, perfect. Short position and the money spot somewhere here we enter, and we keep it 40 points. So here, and target also 120. So 120 here. That was our 3 entry point today. So we booked the profit in this area. All right. Sorry. So let's do some analysis for tomorrow. So where exactly we are going to enter tomorrow. So now you can see according to this price action method, let me show you first the 15-minute chart. So we using 2 time frame to identify. So according to 15-minute time frame, price broke this supply zone somewhere here. Then let me remove these things. Okay. So according to the supply zone, so we can see demand and supply zone, price almost broke this demand zone. So that is a strong demand. So basically we are looking for short if price sustain below this demand zone. So now you can see according to price action, price goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back. So finally they broke this demand zone. So once they stay below this area, so we are looking for short, and it's a probability to continue to at the downside. All right, but basically we are focusing on a sell side. For the buy, I'm not interested to take buy position until in a 5-minute chart, until they're not forming any price action method like that. So here I can see price action clear downtrend, clear lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then lower low. To take a buy position, we need this type of price action method. All right. So once they form this type of price action method in a 5-minute, so I'm looking for buy. Otherwise, I'm not interested to take any position, buy position. But basically, we are looking for short because in a 5-minute chart, they are running in a downtrend like that. So we expecting, so we will draw some demand and supply zone, and after that we will see some rejection. So once they form this rejection, so definitely we enter. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.